Welcome to today's review on the Flavia Creation 600 Brewer. This elegant and versatile machine delivers cafe-quality beverages effortlessly and is perfect for any kitchen or office setting, offering both style and convenience in one compact unit. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this brewer at the best price in the market. From the moment you set up the Flavia Creation 600, it's clear this machine is designed with the user in mind, featuring the Flavia IQ smart system that guides you step by step through brewing, ensuring perfect drinks every time while also alerting you to any issues that might arise. One of the standout features is its in-cup frothing capability, which allows you to create authentic lattes and cappuccinos with either dairy or non-dairy alternatives, giving you that rich barista-quality foam right in your cup. Flavor enthusiasts will appreciate the unique pack-to-cup system that prevents cross-contamination, meaning each coffee, tea, or hot chocolate retains its pure, distinct taste, free from any lingering flavors of previous drinks. The versatility is impressive, from standard coffee to espresso-style drinks, tea, hot chocolate, and even cold beverages. When paired with the optional chill module, there's something for every preference. You'll also love the multiple brew sizes, which accommodate anything from a quick single cup to a slightly larger serving, making it convenient for both individuals and small groups. Cleaning is simple thanks to the automatic cleaning function, which saves time and ensures the machine remains in top condition without fuss, while the design remains sleek and compact, taking up minimal counter space. Compatibility with a wide variety of Freshpacks, including popular brands like Lavazza, Peet's Coffee, and Bright Tea Company, adds to the flexibility, letting you explore different flavors and drinks without being limited to one brand or style. While the machine is excellent overall, it's worth noting that the chill module for cold drinks is sold separately and may require professional installation, which adds some cost and setup effort. Additionally, the upfront price is higher than standard single-serve machines, but the quality, convenience, and drink variety justify the investment for those who appreciate premium beverages at home or in the office. Users have praised the reliability, speed, and taste consistency, though some mention that larger households or offices might need multiple units for high-demand situations. Despite minor considerations, the Flavia Creation 600 excels at delivering cafe-level drinks at the push of a button, saving both time and effort while maintaining exceptional quality. Whether you're brewing a morning espresso, an afternoon latte, or a chilled iced coffee, this machine handles it all with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. Its intuitive interface ensures anyone can use it without prior experience, and the smart alerts keep maintenance straightforward and predictable. With endless fresh pack options available, you can explore different coffees and teas from around the world, keeping your daily beverage routine exciting and varied. Overall, the Flavia Creation 600 Brewer combines style, functionality, and beverage excellence in a way few machines on the market can match, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about enjoying high-quality drinks conveniently at home or the office. Don't miss out on experiencing this level of drink versatility and quality yourself. Click the link in the description below to grab the Flavia Creation 600 Brewer at the best price and start enjoying fresh, expertly brewed beverages every day.